Dear viewers and students, this is Anar Hussain Khan here. Today I would like to talk about completing sentence. This is my second portion of completing sentence. He could not go to college because of his illness. What kind of sentence is this? This is completing sentence. Let us discuss about completing sentence. Learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, we will be able to identify some items of completing sentence, identify the formation of completing sentence, complete, incomplete sentences. Now, completing item number 3. In my previous class, I have already discussed completing item number 1 to 12. Now we are discussing about the completing item number 13. Here we use because of, on account of, owing to, due to. Because of, on account of, owing to and due to means the Bengali meaning of the item is karone or jonne. He cannot do hard job on account of his illness. Now complete the following items. Everybody loves him because of his honesty. On account of rain, he could not go there. Due to thick fog, here we put on, she could not drive well due to thick fog. Now, next item 14. Use of would rather than. Bengali meaning borong tobu. I would rather drink tea than coffee. Now complete the following sentences. I would rather die than dash. I would rather die than beg. I would rather go than stay here. Dash than fail. I would rather die than fail. Now completing item 15. Use of had better. Bengali meaning borong bhalo. You had better go. Had better, it is unreal past. It does not mean past tense, rather it denotes present and future. No infinitive is used after it. Now complete the sentences. Complete the incomplete sentences. I had better go home. Amar borong bari jawai bhalo. He had better do the task. They had better do their duties. You had better stay. You had better start your lesson. Completing item number 16. Use of no sooner than. No sooner than. The formation, the structure is that no sooner had plus subject plus V3 plus extension plus then plus subject plus V2. Here V3 means past participle and V2 means past form of the verb. This item is the part of past perfect tense. No sooner had he reached the station than the train left. Here, the first part of the sentence before then is the past perfect tense, and the second portion of the sentence is the past indefinite tense. Now, activities. Complete the following sentences. No sooner had the police come than the thief fled away. No sooner had the bell rang. No sooner had the bell rang than we reached school. No sooner had we heard the news than we started for home. No sooner had I reached the playground than the play began. Now completing item number 17. It is time. Use of it is time, that means proper time. Bengali meaning যথাযথ সময় বোঝাতে, we use this item যথাযথ সময় বোঝাতে, proper time বোঝাতে আমরা এই আইটেমটা ব্যবহার করব। Formation, it is time to plus V1 plus extension. Here V1 means verb, the base form of the verb. It is time to start the plane. অর্থাৎ প্লেনটা যাত্রা করে এটাই উপযুক্ত সময়। Both the parts of the sentence will be present tense. Formation number 2. It is time, here we use for plus object plus 2 plus V1 plus extension. It is time for me to board the plane. Now completing item number 18. Use of it is time. Here time is over. সময় ইতিমধ্যে সময় অতিক্রান্ত হয়েছে বোঝাতে আমরা ইউজ করব এটা। Formation number 1. It is time plus subject plus V2 plus extension. The structure is here. The second subject, after the second subject we use the past form of the verb. It is time we started the train journey. First part will be present tense and the second part will be past tense. Now completing item number 19. Use of it is high time. অর্থাৎ time is over here. জোর দিয়ে বোঝাতে আমরা it is high time ব্যবহার করব। We use it is high time for pressure, or it is high time plus formation number 1. It is high time plus subject plus V2 plus extension. It is high time we started our journey by bus. Now complete the following activities. It is time for me to start my studies. Dash we started our duty. It is time we started our duty. It is high time we changed our decision. Dash we started our prayer. It is high time we started our prayer. It is time for us to start our journey. Completing item 20. use of as if or as though. The Bengali meaning jeno. Formation number 1, subject plus V1 plus extension plus as if or as though plus second subject plus V2 plus extension. If the first sentence is present tense, the second will be past indefinite tense. Here the example is, he speaks as though he knew everything. Here speaks present form and knew the past form. Formation number 2, subject plus V2 plus extension plus as if plus as though plus subject plus had plus V3 plus extension. If the first sentence is past tense, the second will be past perfect tense. He spoke as though he had known everything. Look at the indicator. I think you all are understood. Now completing item 21st. Use of let alone. Let alone means undesirable thinking. চিন্তা করা যায় না, ভাবা যায় না, এরকম অর্থ প্রকাশ করতে let alone ব্যবহৃত হয়। Formation negative sentence plus let alone plus relevant part of the sentence. He cannot live in a hut, let alone an aristocratic house. Now complete the following activities. Usually it expresses the negative sense. The first one, he cannot eat a mango, let alone an apple. Dash 10 kilometers. The man cannot walk 1 kilometer, let alone 10 kilometers. The third sentence, dash GPA 5. Suman cannot get GPA 2, let alone GPA 5. She cannot cook rice, let alone biryani. Now, thank you. That's the end of my presentation for today. I hope you enjoyed the class. So last of all, I would like to thank you all for watching the video. Thank you again.